Mwah. Mwah. And welcome. Today's video we're going to be talking about the June Boxyluxe, some sneak peeks that we do know about, what we can expect. Joe actually did post a video yesterday over on Facebook giving us some sneak peek spoilers for the June Boxy base box, so I will be coming back and doing a dedicated video for you guys on that. Some of the sneak peeks and spoilers, pretty amazing. Before we jump into the video, as always guys, if you're new here, hey, welcome, and if you're a hot mess, you definitely want to stick around and subscribe, because over here, friends, we embrace that hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine, and it's a judgment and drama free zone. So definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. I upload all the time, and I do have two videos. I do have two giveaways going on right now that I will have linked in the description box as well as in the comment section down below for you guys. At the end of the video, I will go over the makeup on my face if you guys are curious, but let's just go ahead and get into what we know about the Boxyluxe box for June. So if you are new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm offers quarterly what's called Boxyluxe. It is $49.99, and it's like a souped up version of the base box, which is $25 plus tax. I love the Boxyluxe. It has a retail value minimum of everything in there of at least $275, and you get a nice variety of makeup, hair care, lifestyle, all different kinds of things. So it's a pretty amazing box. And the first thing that we do know about that they did release a sneak peek spoiler a little while ago, and that was the Tarte Pro palette. Now this is the original palette. I'd give you guys a close-up, but this is like the third time I've tried to film the video and I end up just blinding you guys. But it is a nice mix of neutrals, a little bit of warmth in there, maybe a berry, pop of color, whatever. But it is a really easy, simple to use palette. And I will say, it does make it pretty simple. The way they did the layout on here is you can just follow each line, and that way, if you, like me, sometimes I look at a palette that has a lot of eyeshadows in here and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's a little too overwhelming. Just remember that if you just go like this, they make the looks for you. It's a really nice palette. So, and again, it has a huge mirror on here. It's absolutely wonderful. It has a retail value of $49. Now the next item, again, we've talked about this before. This is part of like the lifestyle side of the box, and this is by Swell, and this is a water bottle, and I'm not for sure which size we will be seeing in our Boxyluxe, but they do have a value of $25 to $45 depending on the size, which I'm on Swell's website, and they have 9, 17, or 25 ounces. So anyways guys, these sound really amazing, because like I told you guys before when I gave you guys a sneak peek before of some of the items we would be seeing, they, depending on the ounce size, they last anywhere, when it's hot liquid in there, 12 hours to 26 hours, and hours for the cold, depending again on the ounce, 27 to 54 hours. So this thing sounds absolutely amazing. And again, that's the one wonderful thing about subscription boxes. So you're pretty much making your money back depending on which size bottle we do receive. So I was happy about that. Another item we've talked about in the past is by Kylie Skincare, and that is the foaming cleanser. Now, did you guys know that this is actually sold at Ulta? Like, I knew some of her makeup was, but I didn't realize the skincare was. So this is actually something that is sold at Ulta. It does have a retail value of $24, and the reviews are pretty so-so on it, but I'm excited to try it because I've never tried Kylie Skincare before, and I mean, it's a cleanser. So when I was reading about the cleanser, it does say that it does have glycerin as a humectant that helps to balance moisture in your skin. If your skin is dry, it will draw moisture, and if your skin is oily, it'll help decrease the oil appearance of your skin. So I really like the fact that they put this particular item in the Luxe box, because I feel like it's going to work for a lot of people. And it also has kiwi seed oil, which is an antioxidant, rich source of vitamin C and E that helps hydrate and brighten the skin. And you know, overall, it does sound like it's going to be a really good product. Okay, I forgot to scoot over to give picture, so I'm all over the place today, but what's new? Okay, so moving right along, we know of 2 more items, and the first one I'm going to talk about is by Lily Lashes, and this is the Triple X Mascara, and I'm on Sephora's site right now. It does have a retail value of $24, and I'll be honest with you guys, I did just receive in my premium box for May the Kevyn Aucoin mascara, which I have on today, and in my base box I received the Blink mascara primer, and you guys, those 2 products together, I am like, oh, I absolutely love. I love. So I feel like I'm good on mascaras right now. So this could be a variation. I don't think this is something that everybody across the board is going to get. And with that being said, the other item that is going to be available is by Tula Skincare. And again, I'm just pulling this one from Ulta. It does have a retail value of $28. And this is the Glow and Get Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Now, I'll be honest, this is what I really want. I actually saw Manny MUA do a video a while back, and actually a couple of them where he's done like try-ons and everything, and I've noticed like before he'll do his makeup or what have you, he has every so often been using this Tula Skincare, the Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So I'm definitely intrigued by this, and I would love to try it out. It says it does have probiotics in there, and it has some caffeine to help tighten and firm the look of lines and wrinkles. Like, we love that. All anti-aging come to mama. It has aloe, apple, and watermelon to provide deep hydration to delicate eye area, and blueberry rich in antioxidants that helps to hydrate and protect the skin. So, and it does say, and I will say that I have used Tula products in the past, and I have really enjoyed them. And what I was getting ready to say is, it says Tula products are 100% free of phthalates, paraben toxins, carcinogens, mineral oil, sodium sulfate, harmful preserves, all of that. And like I said, the other product I had used, it was like a probiotic type of moisturizer or something, I can't remember, but I loved it. I loved it, and it was on sale during the 21 days of beauty at Ulta. And then the other item that I did want to ask you guys about, I mentioned it, like I said, like a week or 2 ago. A while back, we had seen, Joe was giving us sneak peeks of actually the May premium box, and he was showing us different eyeshadow palettes from Too Faced. And in there, we saw in the background the avocado, what is this? The Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. But we haven't seen it. So I'm like, is June going to be the month that we see it? Now, again, this is speculation, not confirmation or anything like that. But I'm very curious, because like I asked you guys, like I said, a week or 2 ago, I'm like, we haven't heard about it since, but we saw it in the background. So I'm wondering if this is going to be something that we do end up seeing in June. I don't know if it'll be in the Luxe box or the premium box or what have you, but I'm very, very excited about that, because again, like I always tell you guys, I love skincare. It's been my jam, and anything with retinol, yes please, yes please. So anyways guys, those are the spoilers that I have for you for the Luxe box. Like I said, this box is $49.99. It's a souped up version of the base box, which is a $25 box, and the Luxe box does have a retail value minimum of at least $275 worth of goodies in there. I have loved the Luxe box. So I always get excited because, like I said, these are quarterly boxes, and they're always, that's the one thing I love about Boxycharm, is they put that high-end, high-dollar goodies in those boxes. Like, I'm okay with it. I'm pretty excited about it. So let me know down below what you guys are excited about. And I'm sure by the time I get this video up for you guys, I'm hoping to just get it filmed and edited and uploaded to you guys on Friday. We'll probably have more spoilers. Like I said, yesterday Joe released a video on Facebook, which by the time you guys see this, it was on Tuesday when he released it. So I'll be coming back and I'll be putting together a video for you guys on the sneak peeks for the base box in June. So I'd love for you guys to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you guys are notified when I upload. Don't forget, Boxy Pop-Up is coming May 11th, as well as add-ons and choice dates and all of that. So make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notification bells. I try and post in our community section little reminders like, hey, choice is open. Now, some of you guys have been asking me like, hey, how do I make my choices? Just a little reminder, there are specific dates when you can go on, whether you're base, Boxyluxe, or premium member, and you can go into your account and you can choose whatever the choices are for that month. Some people do receive reminders. If you haven't, like I said, just make sure you're subscribed so you get my notifications, because I try and talk about them in the videos as well as post it in the community section for you guys to let you know when to hurry up and jump into your account and make your choice. If you guys are interested in what I have on my face today, specifically my eyes, I've got to talk about this palette, guys. I picked this palette up during the Sephora VIB sale. This is the Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dream palette, and I love it. I have pretty much like all of these shades. Let's see. Yeah, all of these shades on with this and this and oh, it's a beautiful palette. I'm telling you, the Life's a Drag palette was in our April premium box, and I've done a couple videos. That palette unfortunately is sold out. I told you guys a good dupe for the Life's a Drag palette is the Dope 2 palette by CCOLOR Cosmetics. This is like, is it $9? I think it's around $9. I do have a coupon code, HOTMESS10. It's an affiliate code, but I will try and remember to link this for you guys. But the Life's a Drag formula is beautiful, and Sephora has this palette on sale, and it was on sale during the Sephora VIB sale, so I snagged this thing up, and oh my gosh, I fell in love with Life's a Drag formula. I love this formula. Now I want to get my hands on the Moonspell palette because I love Lunar Beauty formula. Like, it is just heaven. It's heaven. Anyways, guys, everything else on my face as far as my foundation, yes, I'm back to playing in foundation, guys. I'm using this is the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. Unfortunately, I have to mix the foundations to get a shade that actually matches me, so I mix F7 and F12, and oh my gosh, you guys, I have the new Pat McGrath Labs concealer on with the powder underneath my eyes. Whew. Whew. This is amazing. This is so flippin' amazing. Like, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. That is it. As far as my highlight goes, I do have my Hourglass Ambient Trio of Heavenly Goodness, Amazingness, because, you know, I love Hourglass. I do have on my cheeks, I have the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil that we received in the premium box, you guys. Again, that's where you're seeing this radiance from, is from these two products I'm about to tell you guys. So this one, again, is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, and then I have the Milk Makeup Blush on. These two together just gives your skin this beautiful, radiant, healthy glow, and I love this. And again, my shade is in Astro. This is the Glow Oil Lip and Cheek by Milk Makeup. Again, this was in the premium box for Boxycharm. On my lips, I have a whole concoction on my lips. Hopefully you're still with me. I have my Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Nude. I have the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade. It's her Lemonade lip gloss. And then right in the center, I have my Ofra Cosmetics. This was the Madison Miller lip gloss. That is just on my lips. And then I told you guys, as far as mascara goes, I've got my Blink primer on, and then my Kevyn Aucoin, and that's pretty much everything. So anyways, guys, that is all for today's video. Like I said, I've been trying to be better telling you guys what is on my face. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I forget. I'll try and link it if I can. And if you are curious about this, this is that outfit. If you follow me over on Instagram, you saw that I picked up some loungewear from Nasty Gal, I believe is what it's called, and it's cozy and the weather is crazy, so I'm like wrapped up in a big old blanket, and I absolutely love it. My earrings are from the Posh Pineapple. I picked them up well over a year ago, but I've had a lot of guys ask, tell me what your earrings are as well. So anyways, guys, that is all. Check my description box as well as the comment section for both giveaways. Anyways, guys, I'm hopping off for now. Until next time, as always, stay safe, stay well, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.